Running a sale is simple. Click on the Works in Progress tab. Then choose the RO you want to charge. Click on the green Revision/Payments button. Choose Process Credit Card. Enter the amount to charge and select the desired terminal if multiple terminals are in use. Then click on Send to Terminal. The terminal will then light up for payment. Once complete, payments made will be visible here. To add a signature to the invoice, simply click on the Print button in the left menu. Select Print again. Choose 360 Payments. Then select the desired terminal. The terminal will light up to accept the signature. Once completed, it will appear at the bottom of the invoice.